Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to make a very quick video about your cannulas and when to replace them. It's the only thing I forgot to say in the other two videos, and I want to make sure that you guys know. These these get pretty nasty after a little while, and it just depends on the person. It really does, on how much you drain from your nose, or it could be any factors, really. How well you keep yourself, and because things can, dust, skin dust, whatever kind of environment that you're exposed to, or your living environment, can dictate how long this can last for you. What I like to do is with the cannula is just kind of feel it. Uh, it shouldn't be like starch. It should be flexible, kind of like that. Okay. And to clean it again, you want to push everything to the center and have that drip out of the ends, and then wipe it off on uh, the towel or whatever it is that you've got around. But this should be replaced uh, every 2 to 3 weeks on an average. You don't really want to clean these off with any kind of chemical or anything like that. Just replace them so that you've got clear, adequate flow. If your loved one is hearing, the trickling noises in their ear, it could be fluid that has got caught around here, and they're just hearing it, or they're feeling the vibration in and around their neck or around their nose. Take it out, see if it's flexible. You really don't want to have something in your nose that's old and that stinks. It's not sanitary. It's not good for the patient to breathe in, and you don't want to breathe in dust from the house, right? So you want to change these. You want to take a look at them. You may want to change them sooner. If this becomes unflexible or just like starch, it's done. And your supply people that you get this from, usually, at least the ones I've been dealing with, are very, very kind, and they know that I only ask for it when I need it. You want to get like maybe two on hand, and then that way you can replace them, uh, have it mailed, or just stop by their store and pick up another one. So yeah, keep this as clean as you guys can. Try, if it starts to like pinch on the floor, because what will happen is if you have cold floors, they'll wind up. If you have hot floors, they'll kind of flatten back out, and sometimes you won't even know this. I've come across this a couple of times where it's come with a pinch in it, and it's a bend. And if you guys can't get that bend to stop, take it off, throw it away, and before you throw it away, make sure you have a new one. So replace your cannulas. If you're hearing a really small hissing noise, you've got a hole in it. If you can't get them to straighten out, and they'll do this a lot too, that means that cannula's done. So make sure caregivers, make sure you check this for your loved ones, because your loved one may not be getting as much volume of air, depending on if they're 1 pound, 2 pound, 3 pound, 4 pounds worth of oxygen coming into their body. You always want to have really good, clean, constant oxygen for those of us that are struggling to breathe. So again, I hope that you guys like and subscribe. Liking is the most important thing, because this will put it on an algorithm and reach out so that more patients get to see what they should be doing with these. And subscribe if you feel like it. I've got more of this information to come that I've learned over the years that is super helpful, that some people just don't, at the medical supply places, they just kind of hand you a book and say, here, read about it. But again, I find it easier if I watch somebody do something, and it can be done right away instead of reading through the book. So thanks for taking your precious time out and visiting my site. If you guys want to see anything else that I haven't covered just yet, let me know. Subscribe, let me know. I will try and get back to as many subscribers as I can. And tell me where in the world that you're watching this from. Again, blessings out to all of you caregivers for taking such good care, taking your time out to take good care of us, the patients, as we're struggling and fighting for life. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks again. All right, see you soon.